Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Python IDE correctly. Now open your browser and head to www.python.org and click on the download button. Now this is download the latest version of Python, Python 3.9.4. So just select your platform here. This is looking for Python with a different operating system, Python for Windows, Linux, Mac operating system, or others. So I'm using Windows operating system, so I'm going to be selecting Windows now. Now this is Python 3 release, Python 3.9.4. If you want to install Python 2, just click on this button. So this is Python release, Python 3.9.4. Now I've just selected this. Now scroll down. We have so many files here, which is the gzipped source tarball, or what is it called? I don't even know. Excel compressed source tarball. So from this option now, you're going to be selecting your architecture, your operating system architecture, which is 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to be selecting 64-bit. So if you don't know how to check your system architecture, I'm going to be showing you how to check it now. Just go to just open your file explorer like this and right click on this PC, then click on properties. So it's going to pop up settings. Now this is it. I'm using 64-bit operating system. Um, thanks 64 based processor, which is a very good PC. Although it is low-end PC, but it's still cool. So just select this Windows installer 64-bit. It says I have already downloaded it. So let me just add duplicate to the existing file just for it to download. So start downloading. Now this is it. The download is very fast. So I'm going to pause this now just for it to download finish. Now download successful. Just open it. Now, this is it. Install Python 3.9.4 64-bit. This dialog is the same thing as other platform dialog, which is other operating system. So you need to check at Python 3.9 to path, which is a path environment variable. Now click on the customize settings. Now this is it. If you want to install the Python documentation, Python docs, that is, if you want to be reading um Python commands, like you want to learn as a beginner, you'll be needing the Python documentation. Now this is pip. So pip is very useful to install the Python package from just a site or anywhere, mostly from PyPy. So this is TCL, TK, and IDLE. Install Tkinter and IDLE development environment, and this is also very good. You're going to be using the IDLE shell to run a single line command in Python, and this is Python test suite. Install the standard library test suite, and just click on next. Then this is precompiled standard library. You don't need all these, and if you need them, you can just check them and download debugging symbols. So they are not recommended, just leave them like that. Now this is install. Just click on install. So we are installing Python now. This is standard library 64-bit. And also it might need administration permission. Just click on yes if it's asked. Now this is setup was successful. It means that we successfully installed Python. Now just click on close. Now to check if your Python has been installed correctly, just click on this Windows button and search cmd, which is command prompt. Just click on open and type Python. So if it runs well, if it brings this text, it means that you successfully installed Python correctly. Now let's print something to the screen. Hello world, like this. Now the output is hello world. Just exit this. Now test another thing, which is the pip to install something from the web, a Python package from the web, sorry. So just type pip hyphen capital letter V to check your pip version. So this is pip 21.0.1. That is my pip version now. You can also upgrade your pip, but not now. This is just how to install the Python ID. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.